Welcome to the Shape of the Law series on First Level Legal Research. This is Video 4, Effective Searching and Legal Treatises. How good are you at searching? You're pretty good, right? You search Google every day of your life and usually find what you're looking for right on the first page. Searching is easy. Well, that depends. You see, there are two kinds of searching. The first kind is called natural language, and it's what most people use to run internet searches, like Christopher Nolan Batman or How do I bake a ham? The second kind is called Boolean searching, named after George Boole, the man who invented it. Boolean searching is more complex, but allows you to target a search so you get precisely what you're looking for. In Boolean searching, each word stands for a concept. More than one word can stand for the same concept. For example, the words car, auto, and automobile all mean the same thing. Likewise, crash, accident, or collision could be used to describe a wreck. Boolean operators show how you want these concepts to relate to each other. For example, car and crash would bring you search results including both those terms. Car or crash would bring you documents with at least one of those words, and car not crash would bring you documents that do have the word car but not the word crash. And, or, and not are the three basic Boolean operators. There are more specific ones called proximity operators, but we'll take a look at those in a little bit. For now, we'll stick with and, or, and not. Now, let's try grouping multiple words to describe these concepts. Using parentheses prioritizes searches, so we can try using more than one word per concept, and then link those concepts together. We're not sure what words an on-point document might use to represent a concept, so let's give it a choice. We'll search for car, or auto, or automobile. Our second concept is crash, or accident, or collision. If we use parentheses to group concepts together, car, or automobile, and then pair those concepts with Boolean operators, car, or auto, or automobile, and crash, or accident, or collision, our search will find every document with any of the words in the first set, every document with any of the words in the second set, and return only documents that have any of the first set words and any of the second set words. We can also use not to exclude the second set of terms, or to find results with at least one of the terms. Let's put this into practice by searching a treatise. A treatise is a source that delves deeply into a particular area of law, providing detailed explanations of topics and subtopics of that area, and citing to primary sources. It can cover a large area, like Williston on contracts, or a smaller one, such as Kreindler's Aviation Accident Law. Treatises can be written for general American law or for particular jurisdictions. Going back to Scott's mother's case against Allison's parents, let's try to find information on parental liability in California. There happens to be a treatise called California Torts, available on Lexis. We're going to search within it and see if there's anything relevant to our case. Let's start by doing a natural language search for parental liability. We get two results. Both of these have to do with parents' liability for a child's car accident. No good there. What if we try a Boolean search for parent and liability? 137 results. There's obviously quite a bit of material in here. On the one hand, that's great. Something in here must be on point, right? On the other hand, that's a lot of material to sift through. Let's tweak our search. We searched for these concepts using and, but let's target our search more precisely using a proximity operator. Using and will bring back any result that has the two words anywhere in the document, whether in relation to each other or not. Proximity operators will return results with your concepts in closer relation. You can use a proximity operator to search for your terms within the same sentence, within the same paragraph, or within a certain number of words of each other. Let's modify our search. Instead of using the word parental, we'll go back to the root, parent, and use a proximity operator to search for parent within the same sentence as liability. It cuts our results down to 38. That's a lot more manageable. And look, the third result talks about a parent's liability for the actions of their child. Exactly on point! These sections expand on what we found in California jurisprudence and ALR. If not for Boolean searching, we would have missed them. And as always with secondary sources, these sections analyze the law and give us links to the primary cases and statutes. One last point about treatises. Because they are published by different companies, no electronic service will have a comprehensive set of treatises. California Torts is published by Lexis and is not available on Westlaw. Other West treatises are not available on Lexis. In addition, not all treatises are published by Lexis or West, and the majority aren't available electronically. If you bypass looking at print treatises, you may well be overlooking a resource that holds the key to exactly what you're searching for. To cover your bases, check your electronic resources for their treatises and your library's online catalog for print treatises. Up next, effective case searching. Hope you're looking forward to it, and as always, thanks for watching.